Do you run a youth club or youth organisation? If you do, you will understand the importance of creating clear and detailed session plans. A concise document that captures what we are trying to achieve and how we will achieve it through our planned activities. A good session plan should be easy to follow. It should communicate the benefits of our activities and identify and mitigate any associated risks. Not only does a good session plan keep everybody on the same page, it also provides a basis for reflection and assessment after the event. Planning a great session can be time-consuming when done properly, but the JUICE system makes session planning easy and quick to do. In this demonstration, we'll use JUICE to create a professional session plan in less than 5 minutes. We are now using the JUICE online system to create a session plan. We have logged on as Steve, the youth club manager, and we will start with a blank plan and edit it. At this stage, we have nothing defined. There are no people assigned, no notes, no activities, and nothing on the equipment list. So we'll navigate to the bottom left of the screen and click on the Edit Session button. Because we will be accessing sensitive data, the system will ask us to provide a security code before allowing us to select the basic session information: date, time, session leader, staff, and any volunteers. Next, we enter our aims for the session and any notes that our team will need. Most information will be published on the plan. Some notes may be purely internal, reminders, or more sensitive information that will not be printed on documents. Next, we start adding activities to our session. We can search for activities we've previously added to the system, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we'll add a new activity. This activity is card games. We want to break the group down into smaller groups and allow people to get to know each other. All we have to do is describe what we want and ask JUICE to create the activity for us. JUICE has a built-in AI assistant that will now help us to add the details to our activity. In fewer than 60 seconds, JUICE will complete the activity plan for us. If we don't like the answers it provides, we can edit them or ask it to try again. We can also guide the AI by adding more detailed instructions to improve the output, should we wish. Here we can see that the JUICE AI has provided an overview of the activity, some how-to notes. It has highlighted some risks to be aware of, summarised the benefits, and even created an equipment list for us. Next, we'll confirm our edits and return to our session overview screen, where we can repeat the process to add a game of football to our session. Again, we can see our AI creating the activity guide for us with an overview, how-to notes, a section for the potential risks, a summary of the benefits, and an equipment list, all generated in under 60 seconds. Confirming our edits again returns us to the session plan overview. Now our session plan is really starting to take shape. It has a stated aim, a leader, staff and volunteers assigned, as well as some notes. We can see our 2 activities, the accompanying instructions, and the consolidated equipment list to ensure that we have all the kit we need on the day. The information is ready to print out, and the system will automatically update your JUICE mini website to let everybody know what's planned. But before we do that, we're going to add one more activity to our session. Once again, we will click the Edit Session button, but this time we will do something slightly different. The first thing we're going to do is add our welcome packs to the equipment list, as we need to make sure they don't get overlooked on the night. And then we're going to add a specialised activity. A specialised activity might have a specific learning outcome, potentially as part of a bigger personal development or life skills program. In this instance, the young people will be learning to bake. The system may take up to 60 seconds to generate the specialised activity. Again, the AI has done a reasonable job of creating a description, and the how-to section looks detailed, with headings for preparation, instructions, execution, and conclusion. The risks section talks about food allergies, as well as kitchen safety and hygiene. The benefits area summarises the takeaways beautifully, and the equipment list looks comprehensive. That is missing one key element: the ingredients. And what about the recipe? This time, rather than accept what AI gives us, we will ask for more. This time, we will give the AI some specific instructions and hit the Get Ideas button. Again, the AI takes a moment to think, but then comes back with improved suggestions. The how-to section now contains the recipe, and the equipment list details all the ingredients. We confirm our edits and are once again returned to the session plan screen. With 3 activities planned, complete with extensive instructions and notes, we're good to go. In due course, we will use Juice to evaluate each activity and the session as a whole. But for now, that is a job well planned. The extensive equipment list now includes the welcome packs and the ingredients we'll need for the baking. Time to print off and share the plan. So, as we print off our plan, in the background the website is updated. Our team can log in to access the plan and internal notes with their secure codes, and our community can see what we have planned for the session. Everybody is on the same page. If you would like to know more about how Juice can help you run your youth club better and spend less time doing paperwork and more time doing youth work, get in touch. We'd love to talk you through it. Alternatively, explore some of our other short demonstration videos below. Thank you for your time.